1. Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the *Dana BYOMA Universal Skincare Heroes Kit, your ultimate secret to glowing, hydrated skin. 2. This isn't just any *skincare gift set, it's a complete 5-step routine designed to rebuild, boost, and protect your skin barrier. 3. The star ingredient is BYOMA's unique Tri-Ceramide Complex, clinically proven to mimic your skin's essential lipids, making this the *Tamdan Skin Barrier Repair system. 4. Each product, from the jelly cleanser to the SPF 50, works synergistically to lock in moisture and minimize trans-epidermal water loss for truly resilient skin. 5. What makes this BYOMA Kit truly special is its ultimate skin-compatible solution. It's dermatologist-tested, non-comedogenic, and completely free of alcohol and fragrance, perfect for all skin types. 6. You're getting powerful humectants and scientifically backed actives that ensure your skin functions at its absolute best, giving you that balanced, brighter complexion. 7. If you're looking for an effective time hydrating skincare routine that simplifies your life, this bundle is exactly what you need. 8. It's an amazing value and makes a fantastic NAM skincare gift set, NAM's for yourself or a loved one. 9. Ready to transform your complexion and experience healthy, radiant skin? Find the Amazon link in the description to get your BYOMA Heroes Kit today. 10. Trust me, investing in this clinically proven barrier-boosting routine is the best decision for your skin in 2025 *.